toads. We are going to play with some sounds and words today. So, like always, we're going to start with some rhymes. Are you ready to help me? All right. Fun, run. Now it's your turn. Fun, run. Had, mad. Now it's your turn. Had, mad. Dug, bug. Now it's your turn. Dug, bug. Give, live. Now it's your turn. Give, live. Bed, red. Now it's your turn. Bed, red. Nice job. So now we're going to play with some beginning sounds. All right. Are you ready to help me? You're going to repeat after me. Ready? W, w, was. W, w, was. B, b, bear. B, b, bear. So. So. Nice work. D, d, dog. It's your turn. D, d, dog. New. New. Great work. So now we're going to put some words together to make new words. Ready? Grape, fruit, grapefruit. Now it's your turn. Grape, fruit, grapefruit. Keyboard, keyboard. Keyboard, keyboard. Indoors, indoors. Indoors, indoors. Seaweed, seaweed. Seaweed, seaweed. Toothpaste, toothpaste. Toothpaste, toothpaste. Nice work. So next we're going to play with some ending sounds. So our first word is us. Ready? Us. Us. Next is stop. Stop. P. Stop. P. Next is had. Had. D. Had. D. Next is none. Ready? None. None. And last is cook. Ready? Cook. Cook. Awesome. So now we're going to take some words apart. Ready? Bathtub, bathtub. Now it's your turn. Ready? Bathtub, bathtub. Next we have inside, 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 inside. Peanut, 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 peanut. Doghouse, dog, house, doghouse, dog, house. Sunlight, 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 sunlight. Nice work. All right. Now we're going to add some words to make new words. So for this one, you're going to repeat after me the first word, then we are going to add a new word to make it a different word. Cup, cup. Add cake. What do you get? Cupcake. Bee, bee. Add come. What do you get? Become. Rain, rain. Add bow. What do you get? Rainbow. Barn, barn. Add yard. What do you get? Barnyard. Door, door. Add way. What do you get? Doorway. All right, now we're going to take some words apart to see what is left. So highway without high. What's left? Way. Highway without high. What's left? Way. Doorway without door. What's left? Way. Doorway without door. What's left? Way. Roadway without road. What's left? Way. Roadway without road. What's left? Way. Parkway without park. What's left? Way. Parkway without park. What's left? Way. Nice work. So we're going to work on a new poem together. So we're going to add a little bit more today. Old Mother Hubbard went to the cupboard to get her poor dog a bone. All right, let's say that together. Ready? Old Mother Hubbard went to the cupboard to get her poor dog a bone. And that is the end. Thank you guys so much for playing with me, and I will see you again soon.